Okay, let's start the class. Salesforce is a vendor company like Microsoft, Google, Oracle. Okay, SAP. These are all vendor companies, yes or no? Okay. Like these companies, Salesforce is also a vendor company. This company started in 1999, San Francisco, California, USA. This company runs on the concept name is called cloud computing. This is the background history of Salesforce company. Understand? This company's CEO is Mark Benioff. Mark Benioff is the CEO of this company. So this company is a vendor company. Actually, there are two types of companies in the IT industry. How many types?
Two types.
Two types. There are two types of companies in IT industry. Okay, one is vendor companies, or I can say product-based companies. Second type of company is called service-based companies or development companies. Vendor companies like what? Like Microsoft, we have something like IBM, Google, Oracle, SAP, PeopleSoft. They're all what? Vendor companies. Service-based companies like TCS, Tech Mahindra, Wipro, ETS. There are so many companies in the market. These companies are comes under development companies category. Like that, there are two types of companies in IT industry. One is product-based companies. The other one is what? Service-based companies. So what is the major difference between these two companies? Is vendor companies are those companies, they will manufacturing and selling software products. What? They're selling what? Take out.
Products.
What are the software products? Software products like operating system. We have something like programming languages. We have databases. We have some technology like applications. These all comes under what? Software products. Okay. You know about operating system, Windows operating system. Okay. So for Windows operating system, vendor.
Microsoft.
Microsoft is a vendor company. Okay, listen to class. Okay, guys, very freely. I'm not discussing any new points today because you all know about all this information, all this stuff. Okay, just listen to the class. I'm just giving the awareness about what is cloud computing, what is Salesforce. Okay, what is the traditional approach before we enter into cloud computing technology? What kind of problems we face in the traditional system, and how those problems we can overcome through cloud computing technology. So what kind of services vendor company provides in cloud? So these are the general points we are going to discuss in today's session. Clear, all of you. If you want to learn this technology, okay, what is your career opportunities in Salesforce? Okay, what kind of jobs you will get, and how it is different from other technologies. Okay, and what are the modules I'm going to cover in your syllabus? So these are the topics in today's class we discussed. In today's seminar we are going to discuss. Understand, all of you? Clear? Hello, am I audible? Guys?
Yes, sir.
Good, good. You can respond immediately. Prakash, am I audible, ma? Prakash.
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Programming language. You know about programming language like Java. Java is a programming language. Initially, this language developed by Sun Microsystems. Later on, that Sun Microsystems company take over by Oracle company. Okay. So database, very popular database in the market is Oracle database. Technologies, .NET is a technology. Application, very popular application. Everyone here using, that is Gmail application. So Gmail application developed by a vendor company called Google. .NET technology developed by Microsoft. Okay. In about all this information, guys, Oracle database developed by an Oracle company. In case of Oracle, product name, database name, and company name both are same. Java is a programming language initially developed by Sun Microsystems. Later, it is taken over by Oracle company. Like that, these are the vendor companies developing all these software products like operating systems, programming languages, databases, technologies, applications. Okay, these are all called software products. These are the software products are developed by, are manufactured by, are selling by whom? Vendor companies or product-based companies. Am I clear, everyone? Using these products, development companies are going to develop like TCS, Tech Mahindra, Wipro, CTS. These development companies are going to develop software applications. Understand all of you. What they are going to develop? Speak out. Hello.
Software applications.
Software applications. Using what? Using these products, development companies are developing software applications. But here I'm going to ask a question here. What's my question is, development companies are developing software applications for whom? For whom they will develop. There is another category of people in the market. That people,
Client.
that persons, you can call them as clients.
Hmm.
Development companies are developing the software applications as per the client's requirements. Who are the clients here? Clients are generally, we can call them as business people. Or no? There are different kinds of businesses are in the market. Okay, we have something like telecom industries are there. We have something like banking industries also there. And we have something like education institutes also there, universities. And we have something like insurance companies also there. Okay. And we have hotel industries. We have something like most important thing, hospitals. Read all of you. These are the different domains, business layers are in the market. So telecom domain. Okay. Suppose take the example in India, we have something like what? Airtel, Idea, Vodafone. So those people can be called as what? Figure out. Comes in which category?
Telecom.
Okay. There are so many banking industries. Banking industry, we have so many banks out there in the market. Like ICICI Bank, India's second largest bank. We have something like HDFC, State Bank of India. Okay. We have something international bank like HSBC, Hong Kong Shanghai Banking Corporation. Okay. Barclays. So these are the different kinds of banks are available in the market. Those are belongs to what? Banking industry. Education institutes. We have so many universities are there in the market. Like we have something like JNTU, okay, Ambedkar University, okay, some international universities like Stanford University, or Oxford University. So these are all what comes under what? Education institutes. Tell me some insurance company names. LIC, ICICI Lombard, yes or no? Reliant. They're all what? Prakash. What is this? Insurance companies. Yes or no? Like hotels. We have Taj group of hotels. Kamath hotels. Okay. Related business people like KFC, McDonald's. Okay. So these people comes under what? Food related industry. Yes or no? Speak out.
Yes.
Nobody is speaking. Am I telling any unnecessary points or what? Speak out. Akbar,
Yes, sir.
Gaurav, understand. Anand,
Yes, sir.
Nilesh, everyone in the class. Okay. Next, hospitals. Hospitals. What are the hospitals here? Tell me some hospital names. I'm not asking any difficult questions.
Max.
Apollo.
Yeah, Apollo.
AIMS.
Okay. We have KIMS. We
Aims.
have care hospitals. Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
We have so many hospitals are there. Excuse me, someone need to mute, guys. So, telecom, banking, education, these are what business domains. Clear all of you. Whereas Airtel, Idea, Vodafone, these are all comes under what? Speak out. These people we can call them as clients. So development companies are developing the software applications as per the client requirements. Yes or no? Speak out, guys.
Yes. Yes, sir.
In the total IT industry, how many important persons are there? 3 important persons. Okay. Or I can say 3 important key players in IT industry. Understand the point here?
Yes, sir.
And who is the first person?
Vendor.
Vendor companies. Second one,
Service-based company.
development companies or service-based companies. Third one,
Clients.
clients. Now I'm going to explain about the relation between all the 3 people. Vendor companies developing what? Software products. Using those products, development companies are developing what? Software applications as per the requirement of
Clients.
That is the relation between all the 3 people. Okay, guys? Good. Now, here I'm going to ask a question. Around 30, 40 years back, around 3 decades back, okay, do we have telecom companies, banking industries, hospitals, hotels, everywhere in the market?
Yes. Yes, sir.
30, 40 years back, everybody is there. Someone need to mute, guys. Some noise around you. Thank you. So 40 years back, all these companies are there in the market. Telecom companies are there, banking industry is also there, education is there, everything is there. But 40 years back, they do not use any software applications in their business. Or no? They did the business through what? Through manually. Okay? Completely paperwork. Or no? They do not use any computers, they do not use any software applications in the business. It means that they did the business without using software applications, without using any systems. Yes or no? Completely manual paperwork. Okay. Now they are doing their business using or based on what? Software applications. They are using computers in their business. Wherever you go, you can see software applications. Wherever you go, you can see systems in their companies. Suppose I'm going to the bank. So whichever bank you go, are they using systems? Are they having their own software?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Suppose if you go to any hotel or hospital, so wherever you go, everybody using what? Software applications in their business. Tell me, they did the business without using software applications. Now they are doing business using software applications. But what is my question is, what is the extra advantage of using software applications in their business? Any one of you?
Time saving.
Okay. Major important point is what? Time saving. Okay. Second advantage is what here? What is this? Security.
Security.
Third advantage, major advantage is what? Scalability. Clear all of you. So total how many advantages? 3 advantages. Time saving, security, and what? Scalability. Clear all of you? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So how time will save if you are using software application? For example, let us take a small example. Prakash is my friend and my name is Sai On. Sorry, I forgot to introduce myself. My name is Sai On here. So I have 25 years experience in software industry, software field, and my qualifications MCA and MTech. Okay. So last 5 years I was into Salesforce side. Okay. So before Salesforce, I was into different technologies like C, C++, okay, Java, or different databases like Oracle, Sybase, DBase, Teradata. I was into different technologies, PHP. Okay. But last 5 years, I was into where? Salesforce side. Okay. Fine. Suppose Prakash and myself both are the friends. Prakash, suppose right now you are staying in Delhi. Yes or no?
Yes.
Very good. I'm staying in where? Hyderabad. So you and myself both are the friends. I'm talking about 40 years back matter. I want to transfer maybe 10,000 rupees into your account. If I want to transfer some amount to your account, suppose you have the account in SBI. Of course, I have the account in maybe what do you call Punjab National Bank, PNB. All of you understand? If I want to transfer some amount into your account, okay, Prakash, I need to go to the bank, Punjab National Bank. There I'm going to take some withdraw form. Yes or no? Speak out.
Yes, sir.
I need to fill the form. I need to stand in the queue. I need to wait for some time. They're given some token to me. I need to wait for some time. After some time, I can withdraw the amount. I need to walk down from Punjab National Bank to State Bank of India. There I'm going to take some deposit form. Understand, Prakash? Follows this example?
Yeah, followed. Yeah.
So I need to take some deposit form. I need to fill the form. I need to stand in the queue. Then I can deposit 10,000 rupees into your account. Tell me, so for withdraw some amount from a ATM counter, at least I have to spend near about 30 minutes time. Okay, I need to walk down from this bank to this bank. There I'm going to deposit some amount into your account. And here also approximately I need to spend minimum 30 minutes time. So altogether, tell me, if I want to transfer some amount from my account to your account, approximately I need to spend minimum 1 hour time or not? Speak out, Prakash.
Yes, true.
That is long back story. So today's scenario completely changed. If you want to transfer some amount from my account to your account, I can pay through what? Phone Pay, or I can use what?
Google Pay, Paytm.
Paytm. Okay. Or I can use a net banking application or mobile banking application. Or no? So using many ways, I can easily transfer the funds from my account to your account without wasting much time. Yes or no? Speak out,
Yes, sir.
everyone. Okay. Are we using all these applications regularly in our daily life? Phone Pay, Google Pay, Paytm, and all.
Yes, sir.
What are all these? These are all software applications or not? So using these software applications, I can easily transfer the funds from my account to my friend's account without going to the bank and without wasting much time. Yes or no? So according to this elaborate example, what you understand is, if you are using software applications, the major advantage is what? It saves your time, because time is most precious in everybody's life. Yes or no? That is why, according to this example, what you understand is, if you are using software application, the major advantage is what? It saves your time. Second advantage is security. How we can get the security? Security in the sense what? In all aspects, I can say. I'm going to give a small example about this. I want to buy some groceries. I want to buy some vegetables. I want to buy something to my home. I'm going to the supermarket. I want to purchase some groceries and all. Tell me, do I need to carry any cash? Speak out. Carry any liquid cash? Good guys.
Yes.
I don't
No.
need to carry the cash. Yes or no?
Yes.
After buying some items, groceries and all, I can pay through what? Speak out.
Card.
Card. Or I
Card
can
or
pay
UPI.
through what? I have the phone. My phone is enough. I can do all kinds of transactions. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I can pay the bill through what? Phone Pay, Google Pay, or through Paytm also. Clear all of you? Once I do not carry the liquid cash with me, indirectly I'm getting the security for my cash or not?
Yes, sir.
Sir, no Prakash. Hello guys. Speak out. Am I audible or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is the second advantage of what? Security. Third advantage, scalability. What is the meaning of scalability? Listen carefully and try to understand. As I said, my friend Prakash is staying in Delhi. Now I'm in Hyderabad. I want to transfer some amount to my friend's account. I withdraw amount from my bank, Punjab National Bank, and I need to go to where? I need to travel all the way from Hyderabad to Delhi. Okay. And I need to go to SBI where he opened the account. Suppose Prakash belongs to Delhi and he opened the account in Karolbagh SBI branch. I think Karolbagh is another place in Delhi. Yes or no? Speak out. Prakash.
Yeah, that is true. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The Karolbagh area, suppose let us assume there is a branch, SBI branch is there. There you opened the account very long back. If I want to transfer some amount into your account, I need to travel all the way from where to where? Hyderabad to Delhi. I'm talking to 40 years back matter. Hyderabad to Delhi. I need to go to Karolbagh branch. There only I can deposit the amount. Why? Because that bank is different, this bank is different, that branch is different, this branch is different. So 40, 30 years back, every bank, every branch is working independently. One bank is nowhere related to other bank. One branch is nowhere related to other branch. Every bank, every branch working separately. Understand all of you?
Yes, sir.
But once software come into the picture, once software come into the market, we can integrate all the banks. We can integrate all the branches across the globe, across the world. Yes or no? Speak out, guys.
Yes.
Okay. So that is all comes under what here? Scalability. So we can achieve scalability through what? Software application. Yes or no? So scalability, first advantage time saving, second advantage security, third advantage what? Scalability. These are the three major advantages. And the fourth advantage, you will get the accurate information. What you will get? Accurate information. Okay. Once you will get the accurate information, automatically your decision making is easy. Yes or no? Okay. Once you take the decision at right time, then automatically you can improve your business. Yes or no?
Yes.
So these are the major 6 advantages of using what? Of course, there are so many plenty of advantages also there, but only 6 I discussed here. Clear all of you?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Good. First advantage is what? Time saving. Second advantage, security. Third advantage, scalability. Fourth one, you will always get accurate information. There is no ambiguity, there is no confusion, so that you can take the decision immediately at right time, so that you can improve the business. So these are the 3 major advantages of using software applications. The last 10 minutes, I just discussed about the advantages of using, what is this? Speak out. Software applications. The business. That's or no? Clear all of you? How many advantages we discussed?
6.
This is only one side of the coin, guys. Now I'm going to discuss about the other side of the coin. What is the other side of the coin is? What are the difficulties of using software applications? What is this? What are the difficulties of using software applications? Okay, guys. What are the difficulties? In traditional system, both the clients and also development companies they have to upgrade, they have to install, they have to maintain software on their own. What is upgradation, installation, and maintenance? Simple question, simple example I'm going to explain here. Listen carefully and try to understand. Suppose I'm a business person, I'm a client, I have a company. My company name is called, let us assume, ABC company. Understand everyone here? For this ABC company activities and all, I need some software application. And I given this project to a development company called, let us assume, TCS, any other company like Wipro. Okay. So in this particular example, TCS is a development company. This company need to develop some application or project according to my company requirement, ABC. TCS point of view, who is ABC?
Right.
Is a client. So what kind of relation between client and development company? Development company need to develop application as per the client requirement. Yes or no? For that, TCS decided to develop this application using some .NET technology. Using .NET technology, TCS wants to develop the application as per the ABC company requirement. If they want to develop application using .NET technology, is TCS need to buy original software product, .NET software product from vendor company or not? Yes or no? TCS is not supposed to use TCS is not supposed to use any pirated software. Yes or no? In Hyderabad, Amirpet, everything is pirated only. Hey, all of you. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
But if you go for real time, we are not supposed to use what? Pirated software. We need to purchase, we need to buy original licensed software from vendor company. Tell me, .NET original software, .NET product developed by which company? Which vendor company? Speak out.
Microsoft.
Microsoft. So TCS invests some amount. They need to buy this product or not? From vendor company Microsoft. Approximately, let us assume 10 lakhs. I don't know what is the actual cost. Approximately, let us assume 10 lakhs. So .NET is not only sufficient to develop the complete enterprise application. That is why they need some database also. So TCS decided to use database, Oracle. So TCS need to buy original Oracle software from Oracle company. Cost around approximately 15 lakhs. Understand? So TCS invested on 10 lakhs on .NET. TCS invested 15 lakhs on Oracle database. Okay. So approximately they invested how much? Near about 25 lakhs. Yes or no? I will speak out in this example.
Yes, sir.
Okay. TCS invested 25 lakhs. They buy these two products from vendor companies and they develop the application as per the client requirement. So tomorrow client is going to use this application. If they want to use this application developed on which technology? .NET technology. And what is the backend database they're using? Oracle. So even client also need to purchase or need to buy these two products from these two companies or not. Then only this application can run. Otherwise won't run. Okay. So even client also invested how much here approximately? 25 lakhs. Of course, everything comes from client pocket money, guys. Okay. This is not going to invest anything. Everything comes from client pocket only. Now tell me approximately 50 lakhs business. In this example, I'm talking here. This example, 50 lakhs business coming to whom? Coming to whom?
Vendor company.
Vendor companies. That's or no? Vendor companies. That is why among these people, among these three people, clients, development companies, and vendor companies, among these three people, vendor companies getting more revenue, more business. That is the reason vendor companies people are the most wealthiest persons in the world. Or no? Speak out all of you. All of you accepted this point?
Yes,
They
sir.
are the most wealthiest persons in the world. Why? Because they are getting more profit, more business among these three people. Yes or no? If you type top 10 billionaires in the world, out of top 10 billionaires, at least minimum 3 to 4 people belongs to vendor company owners or not.
Yes.
Microsoft company owner, Bill Gates. Okay. Oracle company owner, Larry Ellison. Mark Zuckerberg, Facebook. Yes or no?
Facebook. Yes.
So these people are the most wealthiest persons in the world. Yes or no? And these people are the owners of what? Vendor companies. That is why among these three people, clients, development companies, and vendor companies, among these three people, who are the most wealthiest persons in the world? Areva, tell me. Hello guys, am I audible or not?
Vendor
Vendor company
company
owners.
Vendor companies. Understand Nilesh, Akbar? Everyone in the class? Anand Kumar,
Yes.
Prakash, Tushar,
Yes, sir, getting.
Venkatesh, everyone in the classroom, okay? So among these three people, vendor companies are the most visionary people in the market. Okay, guys, very good. Okay, now a simple question I'm asking here. Suppose a client buy .NET original software worth of 10 lakhs. Tell me, is this particular client ABC company can use this .NET original software lifelong?
No.
Forever and ever? No,
No,
they
sir.
should not. Microsoft given license up to maximum 4 to 5 years. After 5 years, again, the client need to, and development companies also need to renew the software or not. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
They give
True.
the license only maximum 4 to 5 years. After 4 5 years, again, clients and development companies, they need to renew the software, and also they need to keep on upgrading the software. Whenever we upgrade the software, every time we have to install the software, and also they need to, what is this?
Maintain the software.
Maintain the software.
Maintaining the software means they have to maintain the separate server rooms, yes or no? Database server rooms, application server rooms, yes or no?
Yes.
Application servers, database servers, separately they have to maintain. For maintaining the database servers or application servers, they need to recruit some database administrator or not. They need to pay the salaries.
Yes, sir.
All of you.
Yes,
So if they are maintaining on their own, there could be anything happen, yes or no? Suppose any kind of natural calamities. Suppose 10 years back, or I think 7 years, 5 to 7 years back, okay, in Chennai, almost 10 days continuous rains. Anyone remember?
Yes, sir.
Yes or
There's
no?
a flood there.
The complete flood, almost 10 days, all the companies have completely closed in Chennai. Those 10 days, almost $10 billion businesses lost. Why? Because the water come into the companies, the water come into the server rooms and application server rooms and all, database server rooms. All the completely collapsed. That's kind of natural calamities also we are going to face in real time. So if you face that kind of problems, okay, again, we have to reinstall all the things or not. It is all comes under what? What is it?
maintenance.
Maintenance. Clear all of you. That is why the major difficulties in the traditional approach is both the clients and development companies, they need to keep on upgrading the software. They need to keep on installing the software. They need to maintain the software on their own. I hope all of you understand the difficulties of traditional system. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What are the difficulties? Both the clients and development companies, they need to keep on upgrading the software. They need to install the software. They need to maintain the software on their own. Am I clear with this part of my explanation? Yes or no?
Yes,
sir.
yes.
Very clear.
Good, good. Thank you. So, but how to overcome this problem? Because of this problem, actually, upgradation, installation, maintenance, comprising of all these three, it leads to major problem is it leads to what? Setup cost. The cost is going to increase day by day like anything for both clients and as well as the development companies. Because of the cost, only top level companies are using, or only premium level companies are using software applications, but not small companies. Do you understand what I said here? Once again, I'm repeating. Listen carefully and try to understand. Because of the setup cost, only top level companies or premium level companies are using what? Software applications in their business, but not small companies. For your better understanding, I'm giving a simple example. Listen carefully and try to understand. I hope all of you know about KFC.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And this KFC, I'm going to compare with bakery. Suppose in Hyderabad, there is a KFC restaurant. In some other place, there is a bakery. Clear, all of you. Suppose I'm going to the KFC. I ordered one burger. If I ordered one burger, the person who is standing in front of the system, he feeds my order into the system. He given some token to me, printed token. I need to wait for some time. After that, I will get the order. Tell me, is KFC using software applications in their business?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, no. KFC has its own software. KFC has its own systems. They are using software applications in their business to run the business smoothly. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. But the bakery, suppose in Hyderabad, one of the places there is a small bakery is there. Even bakery guy also selling same kind of burger. I went to the bakery. I ordered one burger. The bakery owner just take my order and give the order to me. That's it. They do not maintain any systems. They do not maintain any software and all. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Now tell me, why KFC using software applications in their business? Why not bakery? Almost KFC business, bakery business, almost same, almost similar. But even though, why KFC using software applications in their business, and why not bakery? Why? Because KFC has lots of branches across the globe, across the world. Yes or no?
Yes.
Their business turnover in crores. But whereas bakery, only one branch in Hyderabad. Yes or no?
Yes.
Speak out.
Yes.
That bakery owner, bakery business turnover is how much? Maximum thousands? Or what? Max to max what?
Lakhs.
That's it. That is why among these two companies, which is the top company?
KFC.
KFC is the premium level company. They can use what? Software applications. But a bakery owner cannot use what? Software applications. Why? Because they are caring about what? Speak out, guys. They are caring about what?
Business. Sales.
Setup cost.
They are caring about the setup cost. They are unable to maintain the software. They are unable to install the software. They are unable to upgrade the software on their own. Because it's all about what? Increasing what? Setup cost.
Setup cost.
That is why small companies are caring about what? Okay. Cost. That is the reason small companies still even today also they are not using what? Software application.
Software application.
Am I clear this point, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So to avoid this problem, okay, to avoid this problem, tell me if cost is reduced, cost is what? reduced, then customers will increase or not.
Yes.
Yes.
That is simple business formula. Yes or no? You good, guys?
Yes, sir.
Suppose,
Yeah, definitely.
yeah, suppose I wore Levi's t-shirt. Its cost is around 3,000 rupees. Tell me how many people can afford 3,000 rupees for simple t-shirt cost? Out of 100 people, maybe maximum 30 people. Yes or no? So
Yes.
Levi's company getting how much business? 30 into 3,000,
90K.
90K. Yes or no? You got, guys?
Yes, sir.
90,000 business. But the same company, Levi's company, reduces the cost from 3,000 to 1,000 rupees only. Then how many people can afford?
80 to 90K.
Out of 100 people. Yes or no? How many people can afford?
80 to 90K.
90 people or 95 people. Clear, all of you? So how much cost? How much business?
95.
95,000.
So definitely, if customers are increasing, then automatically business will improve. You will get more profits.
Yes.
So how to improve the business to reduce the cost? If you reduce the cost, then customers will increase. Once customers will increase, then automatically you will get what? More business. Okay, guys? That is why how to reduce the setup cost and how to improve the business. That is a point came to vendor companies' mind. Understand, all of you? That is why vendor companies come up with a new concept name is called,
Cloud computing.
yeah, it's called what?
Cloud computing.
Cloud computing. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is a concept or a technology. In this technology, whatever IT services we require, every service provided by whom here?
Vendor companies.
Vendor company. If you want to use these services, you just need only what? Because
Internet connection.
Internet
connection,
connection.
we can access those services. So once again, I'm repeating, guys, listen carefully and try to understand. Cloud computing is a concept or a technology. In this concept, whatever IT services we require, every service provided by whom? Vendor company. As a user, if you want to use or access these services, we just need only what?
Internet connection.
Internet connection and access those services. All of you understand? Hello?
Yes. Yes, sir.
IT services means
Yes, sir.
it may be hardware service. It may be what? We got
Software.
service. It might be hardware or it might be software. Every service provided by vendor company. As a user, we just need only what? Internet connection and access those services. Point clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Once
Yes,
again, I'm
sir.
repeating, Prakash, and try to understand. Vendor company, sorry, what is this? Cloud computing is a concept or a technology. Here, whatever IT services we require, everything provided by whom here? Vendor company. As a user, we just need only what? Internet connection and access those services. IT services means what? It might be hardware service or it might be what?
Software service.
Software service. Clear, all of you? Everything provided by vendor company. As a user, we need only what? Internet connection and access those services. And how much services we are using, for that service only, we need to pay. We need to pay to whom?
Vendor company.
Vendor company.
Service vendor company. That is why we have to pay the rent to the vendor company. Yes or no? Because we are using the services. And how much services we are using, for that service only we need to pay. Yes or no?
Right, sir.
Yes.
Tell me, I took a flat for rent. I took a flat for rent. I need to pay the rent for the flat owner every month?
Yes.
Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
In the
Yes,
same
sir.
way, I'm using the services which is provided by whom? Vendor company.
Vendor company.
That is why whatever services I'm using, for that service, I need to pay the rent to the vendor company or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, na? So this is the concept of what? Cloud computing. For your better understanding, I'm giving a simple example about this. Listen carefully and try to understand. Suppose every day I want to check my mails. I want to browse my mails every day, maximum 5 to 10 minutes. That's it. How much? Maximum how many minutes? 5 to 10 minutes. And also I want to take the printout. Now tell me, if I want to check my mails every day 5 to 10 minutes, I want to take the printout, then I need to purchase some laptop or not?
Yes.
Respond immediately.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Cost around 40,000 rupees approximately.
Right, sir.
After that, I need to buy some printer. It's also approximately 20-25K. Here, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I need to install some software, some operating system and all. For installation charges, I need to pay at least 5K. Okay. And also I need to test some internet connection from ISP, internet service provider. Every month I need to pay the rent, maybe 13,000 rupees or 1,500. You got, guys?
Yes, sir.
Approximately
Yes, sir.
how much I need to invest? Near about 70-75,000. Sir, no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So instead of investing 70,000 rupees unnecessarily, simply I'm going to the internet center owner, internet center. Clear all of you. Near my home, there is internet center is there. Simply I go there. Okay. There I'm going to check my mails, 5 minutes or 10 minutes, whatever I want, and how much I want. Clear. And also I
Yes,
can
sir.
take the printouts,
Printer.
just pay the amount and come back. Yes or no?
Right, sir.
Speak
Yes,
out.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, in the internet center, who purchased all the systems?
Internet owner.
Internet center owner. Who purchased the printer? Internet center owner. Who took the internet connection? Internet center owner. Yes or no?
Yes,
Who
sir.
pay the rent? All these things, everything will be taken care of by internet center owner. Who am I? I'm a simple user. I go there. I want to use my required services, and how much services I'm using. For that service only, I have to pay and come back. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So this is what exactly what cloud computing.
Cloud
Here
computing.
also, whatever services we require, everything provided by vendor company. So here, internet center one is nothing but vendor company. As a user, simply I'm going to access the services through internet, and how much services I am using. For that service only I have to pay. This is called pay per use model.
Paper use now.
The name itself implies pay per use model. How much services I am using, for that service only I have to pay. I no need to pay anything extra. Suppose today I'm going to use only 5 minutes. I have to pay only 5 rupees. Tomorrow I'm going to use 10 minutes. I have to pay 10 rupees. Maybe next day I'm going to use 1 hour. I have to pay 25 rupees. Maybe in the fourth day I'm going to use only 5 minutes. I have to pay only 5 minutes. That's all 5 rupees. Clear all of you. Like
Yes,
that, how much services I'm using. For that service only I need to pay. I no need to pay anything extra to vendor company. Understand all of you? Clear everyone? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is called what? Cloud computing. I hope everyone understand what is cloud computing and all. Is this clear,
Yes.
everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Thank you. But last 5 minutes, 10 minutes, I keep on saying that vendor company provides services. But what kind of services vendor company provides? Vendor company provides basically 3 types of services. First service is called IaaS. The second service can be called as PaaS. Anybody hear these names?
Yes.
Last service name is called what? Yes. IaaS stands for infrastructure as a service. PaaS stands for platform as a service. SAS stands for what? What is this? Software. Or A stands for application as a service. Point clear, everyone? Like that, total how many types of services given by vendor company over the cloud?
3 services.
3. Infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software or application as a service. Suppose take the example. Google company given one of the application name is called what? Speak out.
Gmail.
Gmail is an application or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
This application developed by whom?
Google.
Google company. This Gmail server maintenance, upgradations, installations, everything will be taken care by Google company. Google company developed this application. They given this application directly as a service to all of us. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now we are using happily Gmail application. So
Yes.
this kind of service can be called as what? What is this?
Software service.
Software as a service or application service. In this example, Google is a vendor company. This vendor company giving this application directly as a service to all of us. Then that kind of service we can call it as what? Application as a service. Am I clear this example?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is second one, ma? Platform as a service. Platform as a service means as a developer, if you want to develop any application, you need some programming language. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And also you need some database. And also you need some operating system. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So without having database, operating system, programming language, as an application developer, you cannot develop any application. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So here, vendor company provides programming language, database, operating system as a service. To whom? The speak out.
Developers.
Developer.
Development companies. Then that kind of service we can call it as what? Platform.
Platform.
The complete development platform given by vendor company to the development companies, on which developers can develop the application as per the client requirements. Point clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Salesforce given very strongest platform for the developers. The platform name is called force.com. What is this?
Yes, sir.
Force.com is a platform name which is given by developers as per the
Given by
developers,
Salesforce.
on which developers can develop the application as per the client requirements. Point clear? So once again, I'm repeating. Listen carefully. Salesforce given one of the strongest platform for the developers. Platform name is called force.com, on which developers can develop the application as per the client requirement. Clear all of you?
Right, sir.
Everyone.
Yes, sir. Yes.
The platform name is called force.com. That is the old name. The new name is called what? Lightning platform.
Lightning.
Clear all of you? That is called platform as a service. And the first one is called infrastructure as a service. Infrastructure as a service means, do you require some network?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes,
And
sir.
also you require some servers.
Servers. Right.
And also we need some memory space
Hmm.
where we can store your data, where we can store application. Memory only. Yes or no? So
Yes, sir.
providing memory space, providing servers, providing networks, all comes under what? Infrastructure. Hardware as a
Infrastructure as a service.
hardware as a service. That is called what? Infrastructure as a service. Clear all of you?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Like that. Total how many types of services given by cloud computing?
3.
3
3.
types of
Infrastructure
service.
as a service, platform as a service, and software or
Software.
application. Am I clear with this part of my explanation? Types of
Yes.
services. All?
Yes, sir.
Or no, Prakash? Everyone in the class?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Absolutely
sir.
fine.
Clear, sir. Yeah.
So that's about now. So last maybe one and a half hour time, almost 1 or 10, 15 minutes. Okay. We mainly discussed about 3 major points. That is, what is Salesforce? That is the first point we discussed. Second point, what is cloud computing? PC. Third point is types of, what is this? Decode. Services given by vendor company over the cloud. Okay. That is infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service, application as a service. Am I clear, everyone? All these 3 points.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Salesforce is a vendor company just like Microsoft. This company started in 1999 San
ये
Francisco,
सब तुम्हारा
California.
एक्सेप्ट नहीं होगा ऐसे क्रॉस
Yes,
की
yes.
होना सब गलत हो जाएगा
Excuse me. Someone need to mute. And what is cloud computing? It is a concept, it's a technology. Here, whatever IT services we require, everything provided by vendor company. How many types of services? 3 types of services. IaaS, PaaS, and what? SaaS.
software.
Am I clear this point, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Good. Good, good. Fine, guys. Am I clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Maybe some people got it out. Sir, what are the modules we are going to cover in the syllabus? I'm going to cover total 6 modules. The syllabus in the span of 3 months of time. The course duration is 3 months, guys. The first one is configuration. Second one is development. Integration. Administration. ERM. Lightning Aura components. Clear, all of you? So these are the 6 important modules I will cover within 3 months of time. Clear? Understand, all of you? After
Yes, sir.
learning this course, you will get 2 types of job profiles. How many?
2 types of job.
In Salesforce. Okay, the first type of job profile, the first one is developer. Either developer we can go, or either can go for what? As a administrator. If you want to go for development side, you need programming language knowledge. Of course, that is also covered in development part. In development part, we are going to use one of the programming language, which is given by Salesforce company. The language name is called Apex. Apex is a programming language. It's a Salesforce company proprietary language, guys. Understand? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So if you want to go for development side, you need some programming skills. The language what we are going to learn in your syllabus is Apex. Maybe some people got a doubt here. Sir, I came from non-IT background. Okay, or I came from testing background. I do not have any programming skills. I do not have any programming language knowledge before. Can I understand development? Can I understand Apex language or not? You no need to bother, guys.
Mhm.
Okay, I'm going to start the class very from scratch. What is language? What is variable? What is statement? Okay, from onwards, I'm going to explain the topic. You no need to bother about programming. I will make you masters in programming next down the line 3 months. Understand, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Because every day at the end of the session, I'll give the assignments to you every day.
Sure.
And also I will provide the interview questions. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And at the end of the class, every day I'm going to provide the running notes, materials, recordings, everything we'll provide. Apart from this, every day I'm going to give the homework in the sense assignments.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you have to complete your assignments every day. You have to post your answers in the group. Clear, all of you?
Yes,
So
sir.
if you follow my instructions properly, next down the line 3 months, definitely
Yes, sir.
4th or 5th month, definitely you will crack the job. Understand all of you?
Yes, sir.
So that is no doubt. Okay, but you have to follow me. Follow my instructions. That's it. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So the second type of job is what? Administrator job. So there are 2 types of job profiles in Salesforce. Okay. So 6 modules I am going to cover. After learning the course, you will get two types of jobs: developer job and as well as administrator job. Am I clear this point, everyone?
Yes,
Up to
sir.
this? Yes or no?
Yes.
Good. Now Prakash got a doubt here. What Prakash doubt is, sir, why I need to learn Salesforce? Why not other technologies? Why if I go for other technologies, I do not get the job or what? That is his doubt. Understand, Prakash, your doubt? Is everyone understand Prakash's doubt?
Yes, sir.
Prakash, do you understand your doubt?
Yes.
What
What
is
is
your
the
doubt?
advantage of like learning Salesforce
Why
as
I
compared
need
to
to learn Salesforce? There are so many technologies in the market. Yes or no? In IT market, there are so many technologies are there. We have data science is there. Yes or no?
Yes.
Some high technology. We have artificial intelligence also there. AI. Okay. We have cloud technologies like AWS is also there. Amazon Web Services. We have something like Microsoft Azure. Yes or no?
Yes.
We have Salesforce. These are all cloud technologies only. Okay. We have machine learning. We have big data. We have Python. Okay. Python is also good in the market. We got.
Yes, sir.
Why I need to specifically learn Salesforce? Why not other technologies? You can go for other technologies also. I'm not denying this. If you go for other technologies also, you'll get the jobs. I'm not denying this. But the point is, if you want to learn data science, you need mathematics knowledge, and also you need some statistics knowledge. It's not that much easy to understand data science for normal people. Clear all of you?
Yes.
sir.
Okay. Otherwise, data science is good. I'm not saying that it is not good. Clear all of you? Or otherwise, you can go for artificial intelligence.
Artificial.
But comparatively, AI, if you go for cloud technologies, you will get more job opportunities, more job openings, I can say. Clear all of you?
Yes,
Again,
Yes, sir.
under cloud technologies, why don't I go for, why cannot go for AWS? Why I cannot go for Azure? Yes, you can go. You don't need to go for Salesforce. Who's stopping you? No problem. But if you want to go for AWS, the problem is you have to learn what? Linux and Linux admin also. That is also very crucial.
Yes, sir.
Understand all of you?
Yes, sir.
But
Yes, sir.
comparatively Microsoft Azure, you will get more jobs on what? Salesforce. Listen carefully, by 2022 ending, Salesforce need 1.1 million developers. That much of huge requirement is there in the market. Hell out of jobs. Hell out of jobs on Salesforce. Clear all of you? You did not believe my words. I'll show you. If you have the free time, please go through this video. Oh, sorry. Sunil Jose for Salesforce. He is the CEO. Is everyone can, excuse me, is everyone can watch this video?
Yes, sir.
Audible?
Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
Audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Sunil Jose, Senior Vice President, Country Leader. He is the CEO of this. Sorry, he is the senior vice president of Salesforce. Okay, for Asian countries, guys. And if you have the free time, please go through this video. Then you come across to know that the career opportunities in Salesforce. Understand everyone here? Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay. So that much of huge requirement is there in the market. I can say, as per my experience, but this is the right time to crack the job in Salesforce, guys. Clear, all of you.
Yes, sir.
So, or otherwise, you can go for machine learning, big data, Python. Okay, but comparatively in all technologies, if you settle as a developer in Salesforce, I can say definitely 10 to 15% salary variation is there compared to other technologies. Salesforce side salary is very huge. Understand? So if you want to learn Salesforce, maybe some people got a doubt. So what kind of previous knowledge are required? What kind of previous knowledge? Oh, broad Prakash, any doubt?
Yeah, doubt is like you said, Salesforce has got developer and administration. So,
Yeah.
what is the programming language involved in
Apex
Salesforce?
language.
Apex.
I told
Can
you.
you? Apex, okay, developing Apex. And what is the database which is used?
Database, they're using Oracle databases backend.
Okay. The third party, it's not any inbuilt we have?
No. Third party. Okay. But operating system, they did not disclose which operating system they used. Hello?
Operating system, yes.
So guys, that's it. Anyone can learn Salesforce, guys. We do not require any prior knowledge on software. Okay, both IT background people, non-IT background people, okay, maybe freshers and experienced people also can learn. Maybe some people got a doubts or a high of 5 years gap. Can I go for Salesforce side? Can I get the job in Salesforce? So I recently completed a BTech graduation in 2020, passed out, or 2021. Can I get a job in Salesforce as a fresher or not? Like that, so many doubts in your mind, guys. So no problem. Okay. So for every question, I'll give the answer. If you want to talk with me personally, this is my number, 95534 Please call this number. Don't call me. Generally, I do not read the phones because I'm busy with some other classes. Okay. So if you have any queries, further queries, you can directly talk with me or message me. WhatsApp message. This is my WhatsApp number only. 95534 You can easily remember my number. It's like a call center number only. Understand? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So any further questions, you can talk with me. No problem. You can message me. So I hope you understand today's seminar. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I hope everybody understand what is Salesforce, what is cloud computing, okay, what kind of services, okay, what are the career opportunities, how many modules you are going to cover, with how much time, okay, regarding job profiles. So many important information delivered last maybe 1.5 hours. Hope so. I hope all of you enjoyed the session today.
Yes, sir. Really
Yes, sir.
convincing.
Yes, sir.
If you have any further doubts, further queries, you can directly message me. Okay.
Sure, sir.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so
So
much,
we
sir.
will provide the running material, classroom recordings, interview questions, assignments, everything I will provide. Yes. Thank you.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Any
Thank you
doubts?
so much.
Anand Kumar, I got to go.
Sir, actually, now the session is ending. There is no problem. I'm okay with it.
Thank you. Prakash, any doubts?
No, sir, I'm good. Thanks for the detailed explanation you given today.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Tushar, Gaurav.
Yes, sir.
So that's about, guys. That's about the today's session. And regarding further information regarding fee structure or any other queries, they can directly talk with the Durga management. Okay. Fine, guys. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay.